This chopper should not exist. 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special is pure attitude. What if a factory motorcycle looked like it rolled straight out of a custom chopper garage but came with Honda reliability? Meet the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special, a bike that looks like it shouldn't exist in mass production, yet somehow does. The moment you see it, you realize this isn't a normal cruiser. The stretched front end, the raked-out fork, the ultra-low stance. It looks like something built for a show, not the street. But here's the crazy part. It's 100% street legal, fully engineered, and ready to ride every day. Honda didn't just design a motorcycle here. They built a statement, a machine that ignores trends and embraces pure attitude. And in a world where most bikes are starting to look the same, the Fury stands out in the most extreme way possible. So the question is this the boldest factory chopper ever made? Or is it just too radical for everyday riders? Because once you understand what this bike really offers, you might start seeing it in a completely different way. Let's talk about what powers this wild machine, the heart of the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special. At its core sits a 1,312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, and while it may not chase massive horsepower numbers, it delivers something far more important: torque. Smooth, steady, and incredibly satisfying torque that hits right where you need it. Twist the throttle, and the bike responds with a deep, controlled surge that feels perfectly matched to its laid-back character. This isn't about speed, it's about presence. It's about feeling the engine work beneath you, delivering power in a way that's smooth and predictable. And that's what makes it so enjoyable. Whether you're cruising through the city or rolling down an open road, the engine feels relaxed, confident, and always ready. And that signature V-twin rumble? It's deep, rich, and unmistakably cruiser. This isn't just an engine, it's part of the bike's identity. Now here's where things get interesting. The geometry of the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special is unlike anything else in its class. That long, raked-out front fork isn't just for looks. It completely changes how the bike feels on the road. The extended wheelbase creates a stable, planted ride, especially at higher speeds. It's not about quick turns or aggressive cornering. It's about smooth, flowing motion. You glide down the road, almost like you're floating. And while it may feel different at first, once you get used to it, it becomes incredibly rewarding. This is a bike that encourages you to slow down, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's not trying to be fast, it's trying to be an experience. And in that sense, it absolutely delivers. Let's be honest. The 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special is all about the way it looks. This is one of the most visually striking motorcycles you can buy. The long front end, the slim frame, the minimalist bodywork, it all comes together to create a silhouette that's instantly recognizable. This isn't a bike you blend in with. This is a bike you show off. Every angle looks intentional. Every detail feels purposeful. And when you park it, people notice. They stare. They ask questions, because bikes like this are rare, extremely rare. Honda didn't just build a motorcycle, they built a conversation piece, and that's what makes it so special. Now here's the surprising part. The 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special is actually comfortable. The seat is low, wide, and supportive, making it easy to sit on for extended periods. The forward-mounted controls allow you to stretch out, while the handlebars are positioned to give you a relaxed reach. This creates a laid-back riding position that feels natural and easy. You're not hunched over. You're not cramped. You're just cruising. And that's exactly what this bike is designed for. Long, relaxed rides where the journey matters more than the destination. And in that role, It excels. Now let's address the big question. How does the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special actually handle? The answer might surprise you. While it's not built for aggressive riding, it's far more manageable than it looks. The low seat height gives you confidence at stops, while the balanced chassis keeps things predictable on the road. It's not quick to turn, but it's stable and controlled. And once you adapt to its unique geometry, it becomes surprisingly enjoyable. This isn't a bike you rush, it's a bike you experience. And that's the key. It's not about pushing limits, it's about enjoying the ride in a completely different way. In a world full of high-tech motorcycles, the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special takes a completely different approach. It keeps things simple. You get the essentials: fuel injection, ABS, and a clean, minimal instrument display. And honestly, that's enough. This bike isn't about technology, it's about style and feel. There are no complex systems to manage, no endless menus to navigate. You get on, start the engine, and ride. And that simplicity? It's refreshing. It reminds you what motorcycling is really about. Here's something you might not expect. The 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special is more usable than it looks. While it may not be the most practical bike for daily commuting, it's still manageable for regular riding. The engine is smooth, the controls are simple, and the overall experience is stress-free. It's not a bike you rush through traffic with, but it's one you enjoy when you have the time. And for many riders, that's exactly what they want. This isn't about convenience, it's about experience, and in that sense, it delivers. So who is the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special really for? It's for riders who want something different, something bold, something that stands out. This isn't a bike for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's for people who value style, presence, and individuality. Riders who don't want to blend in. Riders who want to make a statement. And if that sounds like you, this bike might be exactly what you're looking for. So here's the final question. Is the 2026 Honda Fury VT1300CX Special practical? Not really. Is it the fastest? No. But is it one of the most unique, eye-catching, and unforgettable motorcycles you can buy? Absolutely. This is a bike that prioritizes style and experience over everything else. And in a world where motorcycles are becoming more similar, more predictable, and more focused on performance numbers, this bike stands out by doing something completely different. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. And for the right rider, that's everything.